Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Zoom app audio problems. So if you're having basically problems with the Zoom app not emitting audio when you're in a meeting, then in this video I've compiled a list on how you can fix this. So fix number one is really easy, just head over to Zoom just like this, and we're going to just make sure that some settings are enabled. So if you have meetings just like this, then head over to the bottom right and click on more right here. And basically, once you've done that, what you need to do is head over to meetings. And what you need to do is you need to make sure that auto connect audio is set to Wi-Fi, just like this. Once you've done that, also make sure to enable use original audio and also make sure that mute my microphone is actually disabled. So you don't want that enabled. However, use original audio should be enabled and auto connect audio should be set to Wi-Fi. Now, once you've done that and basically it's still not working, then the second thing we can try and do is basically just heading over into settings, just like this. And basically, once you've done that, just scroll down till you find the Zoom app all the way at the bottom. It will most likely be. And you can click on it. And you need to make sure that background app refresh is actually enabled. That's really important. Otherwise, this will maybe not work. And it's called basically damage your audio on the Zoom app. Now, if that also did not fix the issue for you, what I would also simply recommend doing is making sure that your that your speakers are basically working. So you can just basically push your volume up a bit over on your phone and just make sure that you have volume coming through your actual speakers. Now you can just test it by going into a different app and to see if there the speakers do work. If they do, then you're good to go. Now, if that still not fix the issue for you, what you can also do is head over into settings like this. Then what you're going to do is simply scroll down to General, click on iPhone Storage, and basically once you've done that, you're going to find Zoom in this list right here. So I'm going to quickly find it. It's going to be right here. And then all I need to do is simply click on Offload App, just like this. Once I've done that, I can reinstall it back again using this page. And when I then open Zoom, I can check if it's maybe now working, because basically offloading an app will clear the cache over from the Zoom app. Alright, once you've done that, it's still not working, I would also simply advise you to restart your device. You can do this on your iPhone and Android. On iPhone, in order to do a forced restart, simply quickly press the volume up button, then the volume down button quickly, then press and hold the power button till your screen goes dark. Keep holding till that Apple logo appears. Once that Apple logo has appeared, immediately let go of the power button, and then your phone will restart and you have basically done a forced restart. Now you want to see if that's working. If it's still not working, then the last thing I have for you is simply reinstalling the app. Do know that when you do this, all your documents and data will be lost, so keep that in mind. So either back them up or just go with it. However, you can simply reinstall it by clicking on the app, holding it down, click on remove app, and then reinstalling it back again using the app store. And then you can simply log back into your account, and that should definitely fix the issue for you. Basically, by reinstalling an app, 99% of all your problems will be fixed. So just keep that in mind. And one more thing before I end this video, I quickly wanted to say that if it's still not working after you've reinstalled the app, you might just want to check to see if with the other person that you're basically in a Zoom meeting with, maybe it's just their fault that their microphone is not working and maybe it's not your fault. So keep that in mind if it is happening. And yeah, basically that's all I have for you right now. So if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.